Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the TradingView Websockets. All right, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to use the TradingView Websockets. Now let's get straight into it. So the first step is going to be to access the WebSockets feature. Now you can access that by clicking on the WebSockets button that's on the TradingView dashboard. Step 2 is going to be to establish a WebSocket connection. So you can go ahead and establish a WebSocket connection to receive real-time market data. Step 3 is going to be to subscribe to market data feeds. So you want to make sure you go ahead and subscribe to market data feeds such as price quotes, order books, and trade histories. And the fourth and final step will be to use WebSockets to power real-time applications. So go ahead and use WebSockets to power real-time applications such as trading bots, charting tools, and market data analytics. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the TradingView WebSockets. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next